Welcome back, guys, to our brand new video. And this is our new segment, guys. And in this segment, we are gonna review, the important 3-4 games of the last 2 days. So let's first talk about the Los Angeles Lakers versus the Phoenix Suns. And Jackson Hayes was back in this game after a long time. Even without LeBron and all that, Hayes was out, of course, guys. And as soon as Hayes has been back, Lakers won the game. And I think for me, he has proven more than enough that he's one of the best players in the league right now. What do you say? He's one of the best players in the league.
Free promotion चल रही है.
कोई नहीं, रुक जा. चल.
Yeah, so guys, this man LeBron so old. So guys,
I know, bro. Cut.
So as a new,
भाई.
so as a young player in the NBA, Austin Reeves is playing really very good.
I think, man, I'm just happy for him, man. And I think for me, bro, he has proven more than enough that he's one of the best players in the league. But I think Reeves deserves some appreciation. And Hayes was 8-10 on field goals tonight. He dropped 19 points. Luka and Reeves were just lobbing to him, and it was just fun to watch him. Also, I would like to point out Devin Booker proved that he's not a Phoenix Sun. He proved that he's Luka's son. He was minus 13, bro. He was minus 13 when he was on the court. KD was performing inconsistently. He was not efficient, and I think Suns it was just an inconsistency problem for Suns.
Yes,
this guy.
That guy.
Exactly.
This KD.
That was it about this game, guys. I don't think it was a big game because Suns is not a team who can contend against Lakers, of course. The next game, guys, and this is Warriors versus Knicks. 97 and 94. Warriors won the game. Cat performed well after a very long time, in my opinion. When Brunson is out, of course. And Cat was 3 and 5 from beyond the arc, which was, I think, good for his standard. And but McBride, I think, was Knicks' best player today. He dropped a lot of points, but still they couldn't get Knicks over the line because there is a man called Curry against them. But even today, I think today for Warriors, Moody was their best player, man. He was
Moody?
he was more efficient than Curry. Curry hit 4 in 13 threes. He hit 4 threes in 8
So it
minutes.
all depends on Moody's mood.
No, bro. Of course, it depends on a lot of things. But I think,
What a shot, man! What a shot!
yes. Butler did his job. Kuminga performed well. Wiggins has been out of the team. But still, Kuminga is trying to fill the shoes. And he's doing well, I think. Warriors, man, Knicks was a tough opponent for them. The next game, and this game was a shocker for me, man. This is the Nuggets versus Wizards, and Nuggets lost to the 14-51 Wizards. 126-123. It's a disgrace.
Bro,
Jokic dropped 40 and they lost.
I told you, Nikola is trash. The whole Denver Nuggets is trash.
Bro, he is not trash. His team is trash. He's 90%
Denver,
of the team.
the whole Denver foundation is trash.
I know, bro, but he's 90% of the team. He's doing everything for them, man. I don't know, but today actually, Russ performed very well. He hit 4 threes. Okay, and MPJ was performing well. He was also hitting threes. Murray performed well. Everyone was performing, but I think today Wizards just outplayed them and outpaced them today. What do you have to say about that? Tell me.
I don't want to waste my words on the Nuggets. By the way, tell me who is on the Wizards?
Jordan Poole. Keshawn was performing well.
Who's
Keshawn? Bro.
Kishan?
Keshawn. Bro, this guy, man. He was talking about Keshawn 2 days ago to me. Leave it. Jordan Poole, Keshawn, and of course their center Alex Sarr. Alex Sarr dropped 34 today.
Alex Sarr.
Bro, he was like 5 and 9 from threes, I guess, something like that. Being a center, he was 5 and 9, guys, and he was the best player on the court the whole night. I think he played better than Jokic. It's a hot take, but
Bro, I told you, Jokic is trash.
No, he is not trash. Wizards just outplayed them. Bro, this guy is just a meme material. This guy is just meme material. He just talks for the memes, man. Leave him. And the last game for today, guys. Let's talk about the Cavaliers versus Magic. Cavaliers lost their 18-game winning streak against the Orlando Magic. Seriously.
Pablo Bench.
No.
Benchero.
No, bro. Banchero was performing well, man. He was good. But you know, I think for Magic, Caldwell Pope was the best player for Orlando Magic today. He hit a clutch 3 when all was lost for Orlando Magic. He hit a very important 3 which, you know, put pressure on the Cavs, guys. And I was just after that, Banchero made a very clutch shot, very difficult and clutch shot in a very pressured situation. And I think that was the game-changing moment.
MPJ really plays very well.
MPJ is in Nuggets, bro.
He plays very
Bro,
well.
we talked about Nuggets already. Leave that. Caldwell Pope, Banchero with so many clutch shots, man. He was good. Wagner was balling his ass off. He hit 24 points, guys. He hit 24 points, and I am very happy for him. I like Wagner as a player. Cavs, man, just got outplayed. I cannot say anything about it.
Bro, I think they should draft me.
Bro, this guy, man.
Bro, I'm the only one. Me and that Ben Simmons who is hiding his ass
Guys,
off.
we have Ben Simmons today. With
We
the
are
video.
the-
Ben Simmons, look there. Look there, Ben Simmons.
We are the only one now who can save this Darius Garland's team.
Okay, let's talk about Darius Garland. He was good today. He played better than Mitchell. He was the best player on the court tonight for me. Mitchell was very inefficient today. He missed a lot of threes. He was like 3 and 14 from beyond the arc. It was his worst performance as a shooter. And of course, Cavs are missing Mobley. Mobley didn't play today. So, guys, that was, I think, it for today. It wasn't a very, happening week because, a lot of players were out from a lot of teams, especially Lakers. But since those players are starting to come back, we are seeing a bigger picture of how the teams are going to perform in the playoffs. And when the teams are completely complete, I mean, actually, I think then we're
complete.
Yes, completely
My
complete. Okay, completely complete. Of course, LeBron, without LeBron, Lakers is not. Okay. So guys, let's see what happens.
Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed
I
this
hope you guys
video a
enjoyed
lot.
this video, guys. And he is busy watching those clips, man.
Bro,
He's busy watching.
this is crazy. Bro.
Just forgive him, man.
Bye guys.
Bye.
See you. Love you.